So, this is me. This is also me. This was me. And you get the point. Anyways, my Universal annual passes expire soon. And I thought, for the last 2 days, why not take them out and myself out to have some fun? But, it didn't go as planned. Yeah. Oh, freaking God. Oh, my God. I woke up and the first thing I did is grab my phone. Damn. Very productive for me. God damn, I'm so obsessed. Yo, who's excited? Me. You? You're really gonna recline in my car. Ooh, 5 minutes. Oh, 4 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. Look at that. That's how girls react when I'm around them. Ready? Excited?
Yeah.
Excited?
The bones of my knee keep on getting stuck together, and then like when I bend it, it gets like pops. It pops.
What in the Squidward Tiki place is this, bro?
Or like the music, right?
Yes.
Hit me first.
Oh,
Hey.
Hit me first.
Yo.
Punch you.
Alright. She threw Santa. How did you feel?
Oh, bad, because I'm all over.
What you did? Did it find back? You ready to go on that ride?
We're gonna go on that one.
You wanna go on that ride?
I wanna go on that one.
You wanna go on that ride?
Y'all can wait here and I'll go on that one. I don't know, I'm just recording. I want a floaty. I'm gonna jump someone to get a floaty, bro. Oh, that scared me. I see a head, I'm like, ain't no way. Guys, how do you like it? Michelle, how do you like it?
It's real relaxing. It's like we're on the run or something. It's like we're on the
Going back. Why? Well, tell him why, Josh.
Nah, I'm good.
He lost his tiki watch. Pretty fun.
I'm gonna do this really awesome prank. Go. I gotta make sure no like.
Alright, so we're gonna race each other in the blue and green body race slide thing. About to go in the yellow tube.
Bro, the green one's better
How?
because it has that same drop.
Nah, I'm good. I don't want to drop, bro. You know me, I'm afraid of heights, bro. Yet I'm still going on this. How am I afraid of heights and willingly going on this thing, bro? We just went on that over there. What happened?
I was looking that way and a big like head that hit me in the face. Ugh.
We gotta keep calm. We have to keep going. Fight. Oh, my foot. We're having fun, right? Yeah, you're better. This was like what? Premium, we barely used my annual pass. Alright. Yeah, but not the pass. And tomorrow we got to go to Island of Adventure and Hollywood.
Pass expires tomorrow?
Monday.
Monday, yes.
Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube. Nah, I'm joking. I don't look too bad, dang. Alright, so confidence. Yo, look at these lights. These are ooh, okay. Whoa. I know everything looks amazing, but here comes El Pelón with them dance moves.
Ha llegado este ritmo pa' todas las nenas, no importa si es blanca, tampoco morena, me parece gorda, chaparra o flaquita, casada, soltera o divorciadita. Yo soy
happy here. He
Squiddy, don't.
we got happy here. He sells dance class for how much, Sherry?
No. It's me up in here.
Nah. He's the new one. Get out the way. What you gotta say to those haters?
I forgot because I don't care. Is that someone's room? Imagine someone's like busy doing it and we're just here. Like, imagine someone's trying to get like, ooh, like, toss me into the bed and everything, and then we're like, like what?
I want some boba already.
What was over there?
Oh, bro.
We came here because I was too embarrassed because I was taking pictures and I made a whole family. Alright, hurry up.
What'd you guys say? Yo, it's Bobo. Where's Optimus from, bro? Gotta buy this for my girl.
What girl?
Buy something. I'm broke. I got no money.
You want something?
That's what you want. I don't want nothing. Not even a water bottle.
How about I give you a water bottle?
How many you want?
6 chicken nugget meals. No, I meant 6 meals of the same thing.
Okay,
10 piece chicken nuggets, but 6 of those.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
You want a 6-piece meal?
No, 10.
You want a 10-piece meal?
Mhm.
And you want 6 of them?
Yeah.
Okay, you want 6 10-piece meals?
Yes.
Okay, got it. And what's the drink for all of them?
Sprite.
Okay, and... Alright,
My back hurts.
okay, what's...
Is there a camera there?
Yeah, just saw it. I want a Little Mermaid video.
You want the what?
Kind of miss him. He's probably thinking about me right now. Or maybe I'm just being good. A, first letter of the alphabet. You know what else is the first in my heart? Him. So I think that means he's thinking about me. I'm McLoving it.
You gotta go through the window.
This is for you, pedacito. No te creas. Be like, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be like, I'm sorry, my cousins are sleeping. Oh yeah, be asleep.
Tell everybody how you're strapped off for life. Dang, gotta go.
Will Jesus ever get a girlfriend?
Shake it real good, shake it real good. What does it say?
You may rely on it.
Yo, that's a sign. Oh, you?
Yeah.
Hey, you sell them powdered sugar, obviously, right? You're a go to them.
Yeah.
Diabetics,
Just straps.
just straps. This is the ghetto, bro. Every night we hear a